Good afternoon, friends. Today you are most welcome to Think IS channel. We are discussing the question answers in anthropology. Our first question is meaning, scope, and development of anthropology. Then, introduction, meaning, and definition of anthropology. There are many definitions of anthropology. Out of those definitions, most comprehensive definition is the study of man in totality in terms of time and space. Apart from this, various other scholars define anthropology differently. Basic definition: the word anthropology has been derived from two Greek words, anthropos, that is man, and logos, that is study of science. Anthropology is thus the science of man. This meaning is too general. More precisely, anthropology may be called the science of man and his work and behavior. Scientific study of man in totality. Though basic definition describes anthropology as science of man, this is not a comprehensive definition of anthropology because other social sciences also study human being in one way or other, such as history deals with past of man, sociology deals with human society and social relations, etc. Therefore, a comprehensive definition of anthropology is science of man in its totality in terms of space and time. This is the distinctive characteristics features of anthropology. Whereas other social sciences are concerned with one aspect of man, anthropology talks of everything on or anything, that is total view of man. In other words, it is a holistic study of man, whereas other social sciences are part science and part studies. Anthropology is most comprehensive of all social sciences in terms of space and time. Anthropology studies both prehistoric and contemporary societies fascinated by people of remote and distinct areas as with those in backyard. Subject matter of anthropology is past and present, far and near of human being. Clyde Clyde Cluckholon says that out of all other scientific disciplines that deal with various aspects of man, anthropology is the science which comes nearest to the total study of man. It may be called a holistic or synthesizing discipline or a science of man in its totality. Definition given by other scholars: Jacobs and Stern. Anthropology is the scientific study of physical, social, and cultural development and behavior of human beings since their appearance on this earth. Kroeber, Kroeber, Kroeber. Anthropology is the science of groups of men and their behavior and production. Herkovitz, Herskovitz, Herkovitz, Herskovitz. Anthropology may be defined as the measurement of human being. Conclusion: anthropology is a holistic study of human being while other social sciences are part of sciences and part studies.